Old, missing or damaged grout can make even the most beautiful of tiles look ugly. If you're battling this issue, you'll know this firsthand. But aesthetics should be the least of your worries. Structural damage is a big risk, and that's a financial burden you definitely don't want to face. Whether you need grout cleaning or repair in your kitchen or bathroom, we can help. We've spent years helping individuals and companies of all shapes and sizes, getting to the root of their problems and leaving their tiles as good as new. We'll thoroughly clean your grout, applying a superior sealer for protection. This helps protect your grout by minimizing discoloration caused by dirt, grime, and acid. Life's too short to stare at ugly tiles. Why not nip your problem in the bud and get the experts to restore your grout to its former glory? Get in touch at the number shown on the screen today.